Hello everyone, let's make the eye follow the mouse pointer in Scratch. First of all, let's understand the X and Y position system in Scratch. On the top right quadrant of the stage, X position is always greater than 0 and also Y position is always greater than 0. Similarly, on the second quadrant or the top left quadrant of the stage, here X position is less than 0 and Y position is greater than 0. And in the third quadrant or the bottom left quadrant of the stage, here X position is less than 0 and Y position is also less than 0. On the fourth quadrant or the bottom right quadrant of the stage, here X position is greater than 0 but Y position is less than 0. Now let's make our eye sprite. First of all, let's make a circle. Now, let's make a small pupil of the eye. Now, let us duplicate this costume and drag the pupil near the top right corner. Similarly, let's duplicate the costume again and this time drag the pupil near the top left corner. Let's do the same thing for the position of pupil for bottom left and bottom right corner. Now, there are 5 costumes of eye, one for the normal eye position and other 4 for the 4 corners. Now, let us drag the when green flag click block. Now, let us drag the go to XY block. To put the eye in the center of the stage, let's put 0 in the X and Y positions. Now, let us drag the switch costume block and select costume 1, which is the default costume of the eye. Now let's drag a forever loop. Now let's drag an if-else block. Now let us go to the sensing menu and drag mouse X and mouse Y. These blocks give us the X and Y position of the mouse. Now let us drag the greater than operator twice and place the mouse X and mouse Y block on the left part of the operator and write the number 0 on the right side of the operator. Now let us drag another AND operator. Place both operators on either side of the AND operator. Now let us drag the whole combined operator inside the if-else condition. Now this whole code is checking if the mouse position is on the first quadrant or not. Now let us drag the switch costume operator inside the if condition. Now let us go to the costume tab and check our costume name. It's costume 2 for our first condition. Now change the costume to costume 2 in our code. Now let us try our code. If the mouse pointer is on the first quadrant, the eye looks towards the first quadrant, but the eye doesn't switch back for other quadrants. Now let us duplicate if-else block and change some of the conditions for second quadrant. For the second quadrant, we switch the position of mouse X and 0, as in the second quadrant, mouse X position is less than 0. Now let us go to the costume tab and look at the name of the costume which points towards the top left corner. It's costume 3. Now let us drag the second if-else condition inside the else of the first if-else condition block. Now let's try our code so far. The code seems to work for the first and second quadrant. Now let us repeat the same process for the bottom 2 quadrants as well. For the bottom left quadrant, mouse X position will be less than 0 and mouse Y position will also be less than 0. And for the bottom right quadrant, mouse X position will be greater than 0 and mouse Y position will be less than 0. Let us try our code and see if our code is working or not. The eye seems to be following the mouse pointer perfectly.
Great!